Hi everyone, welcome to 30 Something Beauty. I am Cassandra and today we are talking about the best Sephora favorite kit that is out there. Now, this is the Scouted by Sephora kit and I found it at South Coast Plaza 2-3 weeks ago, picked it up immediately because it has a couple products that I'm obsessed with and it has a couple products that I was like, I have never tried those. I would love to finally try something new. I am notorious on this channel for buying the Sephora Favorites kit that sells out and then you can't get it by the time I put the video up. I have done my research this time. It is not on the Sephora website as of the filming of this video, but it is definitely in stores and I checked. This is new, okay? This is not old. They didn't bust out something from last year. This was on one of the first shelves as you walk into South Coast, which is, I believe, a flagship Sephora. So it's brand spanking new. And so go check out your Sephora. Once it is on the website, I will put it in the link below. I might have already said that. But I am really big on buying the Sephora favorites where there is a huge difference between this number. All of them are around 50% off. But there's always one or two that are like a huge discount difference. And this, my friends, is the one. $44 for a $145 value. So you're getting $100 for free. The reason why I'm holding it weird is because I've been using it the last 2 weeks. So I could actually tell you about the products inside it. And now I can't get this thing back on it. So just pretend it looks like that. So now that all that is out of the way, because I'm afraid I'm gonna put this online and y'all are gonna be like, but it's not on the website. It's already sold out. No. Go check your store. And once it's on there, we'll put it. So this is how it comes. And if I didn't say it, this is the Sephora Favorites Scouted by Sephora. So this is a little bit more of the indie brands. I think some of them, to us in the beauty loving community, they're not going to be quite indie, but the brands that are not quite as mainstream. There's no Clinique in here. There's no Smashbox, and it's kind of different products too. So my one pet peeve is the way it comes. It comes with this confetti, you know, the little fluff. I already dropped something, but they're all just out like this. And to me, I go, how do I know no one else tried it? Right? Like, that's an issue. What did I drop? Okay, so that's one issue that I didn't really love. That is the only negative. So we are gonna start going through these products. First one, this is one, we're gonna start with the two that were like, oh, well, I already know I'm getting a great deal just on those two things, so I'll buy it. I'm in. This is the Christoph Robin Sea Salt Scalp Scrub. I am obsessed with this. I talk about it on this channel all the time. It's made my favorites. It's made my year-end favorites last year. I am almost done with my full size. I've already gone through one travel and a full size, and I'm ready to repurchase. This will last you. This looks tiny. A little dab will do you. You could probably get a month to 6 weeks worth of scrubs through this because you should only use it once a week. It's a clarifying shampoo that scrubs your scalp, so it detoxes everything. It is hands down the best. This alone is worth it to me. And the full size of this is $53. Now, while saying that, since we're here, if you were going to the VIB sale and you're like, oh, I really want some sort of clarifying shampoo and I'm really willing to splurge on it, $53 for the full size of this will last you the entire year. I've been using mine this last year and I'm only just getting to the bottom of it and I bought it at last year's sale. So I can hands down tell you it will last you. Plus you'll get your 20% off. Also, think about this. $44 with the 20% off. We're in the 30s for all this. That's bonkers because let me show you the next product. Okay, so I just had a small panic attack as I went to the bathroom to find the next product and looked all over and it wasn't there and then discovered it just got hidden in here under the fluff. So the next product, I promise it was worth the wait. Sunday Riley Good Jeans. You get a little Sunday Riley Good Jeans. This is 8 milliliters, 0.27 fluid ounces. This probably is about 20-25 bucks worth on its own. This is the all-in-one lactic acid treatment that everyone and their mother raves about, but is over $100 for the full size. So if you have been wanting to try Good Genes, but you didn't want to pay the hefty price tag, this is the best deal you're gonna find. This is even better than, like, there's a duo of this and another Sunday Riley product. It's still way more expensive than it needs to be. I promise you, with everything else in here, this is the best deal you're gonna find if you wanna try this. And yes, Good Genes or Sunday Riley has come under fire. It's got some drama going on. I don't care. That is still a really good product. And so I'm excited for it to be in this set. This is the Dr. Roebuck's No Worries Hydrating Face Moisturizer. It's got hyaluronic acid, macadamia oil, and vitamin E. I don't know if it's so bright that you just... Can you even see that? This is sizable. It's 0.67 fluid ounces. It's a very nice moisturizer. I have no qualms about it. To me, this is the product that I'm like, okay, that's great. It does, even putting it on my hand, it does melt. It melts in, which is always nice. Like, who doesn't love that sensation? You get a full-size Kapari gloss, and it is in, I believe this is just the regular, it's called a lip, I do like that they call it a lip glossy. So cute. So it is clear. I am not a fan of coconut scents. I was afraid this would be... Okay, I'm gonna drop the whole thing, sorry. I'm sitting so far away because last time I was just so up on you all. So it's down here. I already have gloss on or else I'd use it. So you can see, it just gives a really nice sheen to the lips. It's not overly coconutty. It kind of smells pina colada-ish to me. Maybe that's just because, you know, there's coconut in pina colada and my brain is making the connection, but if you don't love coconut, it's still worth it. It melts into the lip. I was very impressed by it. I was ready. Kapari keeps shocking me. I don't know why. I don't know when I'll finally realize, like, they make really good products. Like, every time I've tried something, I've seen something out, whatever, it's just coconut oil. And then I try their stuff and I'm like, oh, shut up, Kapari, you did good. Like, this is really good. Okay. This is probably the thing I care least about, and then we'll get into stuff that I'm very excited by. This is the Herbivore Lapis Balancing Facial Oil. This is the one that's blue. It has a very strong herbally scent. Not thrilled about that. Also, like, I'm just not a huge facial oil person. It also in here comes with the BioSense facial oil. This is the 100% squalane. This one I've tried before. I actually still have a sample. I like it. I'm wondering if these do different things. The one thing is it doesn't tell you how to use each product. But I have used both. I liked both. This just has a very strong scent. I use it when cupping. If you've seen my video on facial cupping, I'll try to remember to put a tag to it here and in the description box. But you need facial oils for cupping, and so I've used it for that. Okay, this is it's a deluxe sample of the Pharmacy Honey Potion. This is the Renewing Antioxidant Hydration Mask. This is the one that gets warm. It feels like honey, and you put it on your face and it warms up. I had a size like this before. I think I got at least 3, if not 4 masks out of it. Really good stuff. Really recommend it. Nice entry into the pharmacy line. In fact, with all of these, I was thinking these are really nice entry point products into sets into brands you probably wouldn't have normally tried. So really nice products as gateways into brands you probably haven't used before or have been curious about but are just so expensive you can't do it. Okay. I'm not gonna lie, this one was really impressive. If you saw my Insta story, you've already seen this. This is the Volition Turmeric Brightening Polish for Face and Body. I have no clue how much this even costs. Nope, doesn't want to focus. It wants to find anything other than, there we go. So I have no clue how much this even costs, but man, this was a good brightening polish. This is up there with Vasanti, folks. It does have like a spiced smell. I wouldn't say it smells like turmeric. Thank God, because my body cannot handle turmeric. So that was good. This is the Kale and Green Tea Spinach Vitamin Superfood Cleanser from, is it YTP? Yeah, Youth to the People. So it comes in this little jar. It looks very like apothecary. It's glass. So it's a face wash. I liked it. I have nothing against it. I'll definitely use it up. I don't quite have an opinion of like, oh my gosh, it was the best cleanser I've ever used. Like, I don't know. It was a good cleanser. Okay, and then this last product. This is the final one. This one is so awesome. I'm already dreaming of buying the full size. So this is Saturday Skin, which is a brand I've wanted to try and just haven't yet. And it is their Rub-A-Dub Refining Peel Gel. So I had one of these from another company. I can't remember who. It came in a Sephora play, but it definitely wasn't Saturday Skin. But what you do is you put a little, you put it on your face. So there's the cream. There's the cream on my hand. You put it on your hand and it's got a little bit of like beadiness, but it also is, this is the one that's just gonna start pilling up because it's, I don't even know if you can see that. It's taking off a layer of your skin. Like not in a bad way, it's just sloughing off all the dead skin. Is it weird that I like that so much? So super excited by this. All of these are very generous sizes. I mean, this is full size, and I think this on its own is $18. So between this guy and the Good Jeans, you've paid for the set. I am just so beyond impressed. I can't wait to go buy this. I've already thought of like, ooh, I might go back and buy that. I might go back and buy that. But wanted to get this video out for you before VIB starts because this is the set I think you need to buy at the sale. So go check it out. Let me know below what else you're going to pick up at the sale. I'm sure I will have another video about that soon. And be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Also, join the Facebook group. So I started a Facebook group. It's called Makeup Lovers Over 30. Makeup Lovers Over 30. Because I know some of you are in your 40s. I don't want you to feel left out. If you're in your 50s, your 60s, your 70s, I don't care. Come join our group. Talk about what you find in that Facebook group. It would be great. I'd love to have you. And with that, you should be getting suggestions of other videos I think you'd like. So thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!